Hi, I'm Rita Baroody, career success coach, recruiter, and LinkedIn's top recruiting voice. I've been helping experienced professionals just like yourself land great opportunities for 15 plus years. And I wanted to share with you the number one biggest mistake job seekers are unconsciously making, and it's costing them finding the right job. The problem is that applying to jobs and wasting time on the wrong strategies doesn't land you a job faster. Instead, it wastes your precious time and it throws you into an emotional roller coaster. After helping thousands of professionals, what I discovered was most job seekers are not searchable or findable by recruiters and hiring companies on LinkedIn because they have not fully optimized their LinkedIn profile and they have no idea how to accurately optimize their profile. And that's exactly why I tell all of my clients your number one step in your job search is to optimize your LinkedIn profile to become more findable. And so you are not leaving opportunities on the table. Once my clients optimize their profile accurately, job opportunities start to flow to them. And their LinkedIn positioning gives the hiring company confidence to hire them more quickly. And that's when I created LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers, which gives you the exact roadmap to fast track your job search. So you can be findable by recruiters and hiring companies faster. And so you are not leaving any opportunities on the table. The best part about my course is it gives you a proven and tested strategy that I've used for thousands of my clients to help them fast track their job search and that has worked for them quickly. This course is perfect for those of you who want to fast track finding the right job and not spend time on job applications. I've included a link in the description below to gain immediate access to my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers. So what are you waiting for? Let's fast track your job search with my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers.